We'll guide you through how to make a private YouTube video public. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to YouTube, and then what we need to do is head to the YouTube studio. So head to the top right and click on your profile picture, just like so. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to. And then in this list of options, click on YouTube Studio. Once you're on the YouTube studio, go over to the left and go and click on content like this. And you can then see all of your videos. And then what you want to do is choose the video, or if there's multiple videos, that's fine as well, which you wish to go and change from private to public. So in this case, I've got this video here, so I'll select it on the left hand side. After you've selected it, you can then click on edit and click on visibility, and then you can change it from private to public, just like so, and then click on update videos. You'll need to go and confirm your decision like so, and the reason why I like to do it this way is because then you can go and do it for multiple videos at a time. You can just go and click on visibility here and set it to public, but that's longer if you've got a lot of videos. And as you can see, the video is now public, so anybody can go and watch it. If you guys found this useful and you want to see more, then please leave a like.